Action. Come on. Oh yeah. They got this at Victoria's Secrets. There's Christina. I just had a baby. There's June. Trying to backslide, Butch. Going for it. There's Heidi. Times. These are good times. Christina's going for Victoria's Secrets.
I'm stuck. Can you get this off me?
Oh, hold on. Hold on, hold on. I'm losing my... Alright, I got it. There you go. You're good. You know how to undress. Alright, we missed it. There we go. They haven't stopped. Look at it. You done? June! Butch, she's face planted. With a spot in the back. See the little spot with the red in the back? That's for you, Butch. Come on. Oh! Fail. Oh. They were just having too much fun. I'm going to put this on YouTube. Velcroing to the Velcro on Harry Potter Day. You hold it. Women falling to Velcro. Go, Heidi, go. Go, Heidi, go. Yes. Yes. We're going to name this Women Trying to Velcro. Whoa. I would do the commentation, I just don't want to do it right now. Butch, her butt is stuck. And you don't have an iPhone, I know you don't, Butch. Alright, that's it. We're closing it out.